Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Soundraw login issues, license and account errors step by step clearly. To begin fixing your Soundraw login issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. Next, visit the Soundraw website to confirm that there are no ongoing server problems. If the website loads but you're still unable to log in, verify that your login credentials are correct. Double-check your email address and password for any typing errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again with the new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This step helps resolve any conflicts that may be causing login problems. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in once more. If problems persist, consider using a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. Make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If you're still unable to log in, check your email for any messages from Soundraw regarding your account status. Determine if there are any license issues or if your account has been suspended for any reason. If there are license errors, review the licensing terms on Soundraw's website for clarification. You may need to reach out to Soundraw's customer support for assistance with account or licensing issues. Prepare to provide them with details about the problem you're facing for a quicker resolution. Once you have contacted support, wait for a response and follow their specific guidance. After resolving any account or license issues, attempt to log in again. If all steps have been followed and problems persist, consider reinstalling the Soundraw application. This can often resolve any underlying issues causing login errors. Finally, ensure that you are using the correct version of the app compatible with your operating system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.